तुझे जा रहे हो?
तुम बिन जिया जाए कैसे?
સાહિલ તું ક્યાં જાય છે?
અમે किनेता वञो।
दस्तू सरका सरका कुटे कुटे जा दस्तू।
ક્યાં જઈ રહ્યા છો તમે સ્વામી?
रनीश कहाँ जा रहे हो? कहाँ जा रहे हो?
अच्छा ठीक है जाओ, लेकिन तुसी जा किथे रहे हो?
डोला डोला रे ओ डोला डोला रे बचल गाजी चल हाल इंजन की सिटी में मारो इंजन की सिटी में मारो मन डोले।
इन वादियों इन पहाड़ियों में खोने चले, हम एक दूसरे की बाह थामे चले, क्षितिज की सीमाओं को ढूंढने चले, तेरे संग हम खुद को मिलने चले, तेरे संग हम खुद को मिलने चले।
कैसे तेरी खुद गर्जी, ना धूप चुने ना छाँव, कैसे तेरी खुद गर्जी, किसी ठौर टिके ना पाँव, कैसे तेरी खुद गर्जी, ना धूप चुने ना छाँव, कैसे तेरी खुद गर्जी, किसी ठौर टिके ना पाँव। बन लिया अपना पैगंबर, तर लिया तू सात समंदर, फिर भी सूखा मन के अंदर क्यों रहेगा?
कबीरा मान जा, रे फकीरा मान जा, आजा तुझको पुकारे तेरी परछाइयाँ, रे कबीरा मान जा, रे फकीरा तू है निर्मोही कैसा हर जाइया। टूटी चार पाई वही ठंडी पुरवाई, रास्ता देखे मलाई वही मिट्टी की सुराही, रास्ता देखे है।
कैसे तेरी खुद गर्जी, लब नामक रमे ना मिसरी, कैसे तेरी खुद गर्जी, तुझे प्रीत पुरानी मिसरी, मस्त मौला मस्त कलंदर, तू हवा का एक बवंडर, बुझ के यूं अंदर ही अंदर क्यों रहेगा?
रे कबीरा मान जा, रे फकीरा मान जा, आजा तुझको पुकारे तेरी परछाइयाँ, रे कबीरा मान जा, रे फकीरा मान जा, कैसा तू है निर्मोही कैसा हर जाइया। रे कबीरा मान जा, रे फकीरा मान जा, आजा तुझको पुकारे तेरी परछाइयाँ, रे कबीरा मान जा, रे फकीरा मान जा, कैसा तू है निर्मोही कैसा हर जाइया।
मैं आज बताना चाहता हूँ कि हमारे दोस्त है जिनका नाम है योगेश उर्फ रोहित उर्फ सौरव उर्फ योग्या सरनेम लास्ट नेम नायक।
This is my close friend and roommate Suyog Gupta.
Meet my friend Anupam Maheshwari.
Ranish Singhvi. Meet my जोड़ीदार Hem Vyas, the new entrepreneur.
This is Nitin Bazigar.
This is my most dynamic friend Lawal Bhatt. Thank you.
This is my dear friend Surdu Urf Suril Deshi.
Presenting my friends, the gold medalist, the champion, the hero of the heroes, Mr. Mihir Gajwala.
आप अमित मूलचंदानी।
आप अमित सिंधी मारो।
हमारे सफाई कर्मचारी के हेड अमोल साफिक।
12 friends, 12 entrepreneurs. Until this point in time, our lives revolved around one word: achievement. In the Uttarayan of 2014, we take a journey to meditate on what we have achieved.
चला मेरे यार सुन लो ढूंढ रहा था एक नई दुनिया का पता मेरे यार सुन लो ओ अनजानी राहों में था ओ लहरों की बाहों में था सबने कहा था इन समंदरों में जाना नहीं मेरे यार सुन लो ख्वाबों के पीछे जाके कुछ भी है पाना नहीं मेरे यार सुन लो वो अपनी ही धुन में रहा ओ सुनता था दिल का कहा ऐसा था सिर्फ से तूफानों में मेरे यार सुन लो फिर भी ना आई कमी उसके अरमानों में मेरे यार सुन लो ओ दीवाना ऐसा ही था सपनों का हमरा ही था उसके थे जो सपने वही उसके थे अपने ऐसा था सिंबाद से उसके थे जो सपने वही उसके थे अपने ऐसा था सिंबाद से जिंदे की मुश्किल से ठहरे मेरे यार सुन लो ओ, साहिल तक आ ही गया ओ, मंजिल को पा ही गया उसके थे जो सपने वही उसके थे अपने ऐसा था सिंबाद से उसके थे जो सपने वही उसके थे अपने ऐसा था सिंबाद से
After more than 30,000 kilometers of collective traveling and over 90 hours of mindful conversations, we discovered
इतने सालों में ये तो मैंने जान लिया है कि वी हैव मास्टर्ड द आर्ट टू लिव इन पैराडॉक्स. ऐसा पैराडॉक्स नो यू कैन सी इन द मॉर्निंग कि भाई अपन एक साइड भगवान की पूजा करेंगे और बाहर जाके फिर शायद अपने ही किसी को वो गाली भी दे डालेंगे कि यार ये वैसा ना वैसा. सो दिस इज़ फर्स्ट पैराडॉक्स आई सी इन द मॉर्निंग.
You cannot be contented. I cannot stay contented with what I am doing today because I fear the fact that if I am contented, I will not progress in life. Today, whatever I am doing, I am privileged to have support of my family. In spite of being an engineer, I started ventures which are completely from non-engineering backgrounds. And today I'm back to my grassroots. But there is always a challenge that you put before yourself, that where you have to go. And I think I'm trying to find that challenge. I don't have that challenge set in my mind yet. I'm just going with the flow right now. I think I'm still in the educational still on the, not yet on the peak of the learning curve, but I am on the path and I think I'll get there. The determination is there and I'm sure that I'll get there. So, it's just a fear of failure. That's the only thing that keeps pulling you back.
I've been thinking. Okay, so I've been thinking that for the past 12 years, I think I've developed a reputation for myself within myself. That is to take the plunge. I did that once back in EDI. Again, I kept taking risks at various points in my career with experimenting with the kind of companies I chose to work with. I worked with companies that were not known of. I worked with very, very big companies. So I kind of enjoy that advantage of taking the risk at certain points of time. Not major ones, but just little ones which make me happy. The final risk I took was to chuck everything one day and open an organization. By the support of family, friends, and of course God's grace, the company is doing fine. So to say whether I'm happy, sure. At a certain stage where I am, it looks fine. But there is miles to go actually, right? So so everything at this point looks fine, but there is way too much improvement required, way too much, way many miles to travel as yet.
I started my career just after my completing education from EDI. So I thought I should not join my family business. If I joined, I could have been a third generation in the same line. But I started something different. Now I am more than happy. I am enjoying my life. I am enjoying my personal hobbies and everything I am doing. But right now I am in a very good socio-economic status. Right now I am enjoying everything. But still, one limitations which I am feeling is that I just because of my business commitment or my professional commitment, I'm not able to give a proper time to my family, a valuable time to my family. So I just want to do this. It would be my first priority in my coming life. So that's what I want to.
It's all about the life which I'm living right now. I'm living life જેમાં આપણે કોર્પોરેટ વર્લ્ડ જે વાત થઈ હમણાં કે it's very difficult to work in this corporate world where there is lot of burden, politics and all, and depends on individuals nature. When I started my life in this job, I was really very happy working with this CHA firm, custom house agent. I was really very happy, but now I'm getting bored, so I want to start my new venture. And my my nature is like that. You can call as a hurdle. I'm little bit afraid of starting a new venture and investing X amount of money. And
I think I'm stuck in this paradox of નથી પૂરું કંઈક થઈ શકતું, નથી પૂરું કંઈ છોડી શકાતું, નથી પૂરું કન્વિક્શન ને કમિટમેન્ટ આવતું, અને નથી પૂરી બિલીફ બંધાતી. That's given. That I mean, umpteen number of examples for me to tell this to myself. Yes, I'm happy, reasonably happy. It's not that I'm unhappy at wherever I am in my life, but then the amount of things I feel that I need to do are much more than the amount of things which I see that I might have done. So there's a huge voluminous difference in these two set of things, and at this age now that I'm 35, I feel with this awareness that there is a lot to do, there is a lot that I want to do, not that I need to do, I want to do. I need to just take off. I need to just take off. And enough of this theoretizing and philosophizing and things. I think what is required is action. I think I know what needs to be done. And maybe there is a lot of complacency, enjoying comfortable life seems to be the major hurdle. And fear of failure, I guess. These are the things which knowingly or unknowingly keeps playing on my mind, and so I hesitate. So many, thousands of ideas would come to my mind, but that's it. That's where they remain. I do not let them manifest in my actions. That has to stop.
It is affecting definitely. वो फ़र्क है, वो तो असर है कि मैं I am not able to give my 100% because of living in that small paradox of not totality. But अभी जैसे जैसे ये समझ आ रही है, जैसे जैसे अंडरस्टैंडिंग आ रही है, वैसे वैसे क्लैरिटी भी आ रही है कि यार at least even in you can reduce these paradoxes in life if you follow certain set of values, या जो भी अपन डिस्कस करते हैं कि भाई within family system we have to inculcate those values with ourselves, with your spouse, children, family, mother, father. So you can reduce these paradoxes, and with the in the work environment, वो paradox भी reduce कर ही सकते हैं. But you have to make a conscious or say thrustful try for it. Otherwise वो नहीं होगा.
We are total, neither in doing nor in not doing. We are neither someone nor are we no one. We are neither fully present nor completely absent. How will we get out of this paradox? will we find the answers to our questions?